Okay, so we've got the Trek, the main. Going to put an R8000. I've changed the chain set over to a new R8000 chain set. This one going on is 11 speeds, 50, 34, and 175mm crank arm. Okay, the crank arm's now on and tight. Now what we're going to do is remove his time pedals that were the problem, or this one's the problem, where he's cross-threaded it basically. So remove that and wind it with some fresh grease inside his new crank arms. All straightforward. Okay, R8000 chain set. Yep. Good news, got the pedal off. Bad news for the chain set, we had to cut it. Basically, the pedal was jammed. He stripped the 8mm hex Allen key fitting on the end of the actual pedal, so there's no option but to cut it out. I was being careful with the saw as such, but he's going to have to put another set of pedals on. So yeah, long short of it, best use a bike shop to fit this sort of stuff, get it right in the first place.